Guys, and welcome to another episode. In this episode, I have a truck. I'm gonna detail this 2008 Chevy Tahoe, but I went to Sam's Club. I purchased that kit, and it's gonna be for the whole truck. We're gonna do the interior, wheels, exterior, pretty much everything. This is for ArmorAll, and it has pretty much everything in here. So the price was $20. I wanna see if with a $20 kit we can detail the whole truck and see how it's gonna look at the end.
Yeah, bro, I gotta try something that gas off bad. See, I fixed the dash.
Mm-hmm. So what do you think about the towels? They do clean?
Yeah.
Huh? Which one are you using right now? The only thing with these ArmorAll products is you gotta use a lot of them. Like the shampoo, we use it all. And the glass cleaner did a decent job. It's not bad. The protectant, we did everything with the little package of the products, the 7 products. So overall, it's not really bad. The only problem is the shampoo. We use it pretty much all of it for the bucket for the wheels, the bucket for the wash, and for the foam cannon. Okay guys, as you saw the truck, wheels, glass, interior, exterior, wasn't bad. The only thing that we didn't use for the video, it was this one, the vehicle detailer. We didn't use it because we just washed the truck. Overall, it's not bad, but I would say it's not the best. Glass cleaner was good, clean really good. I would say that. This is the only thing that we didn't use. Everything else we use it. The wipes, they work well, removing grime and dirt from the inside. This protectant was after to protect the whole vinyl on the truck. I don't like foam, tire foam. I never like it, but I use this on everything, and we almost ran out. If you can see with the foam cannon, not a lot of suds. But overall, that's what you're gonna get for a $20 kit. I just tried to bring this to you guys, and thanks to my partner John for bringing the truck and help me make this episode because I couldn't do anything. He did everything because my back hurts. But that's why I have my partner in there, and probably he's gonna be in more episodes until I get better. But for now, that's it. I'll leave you with that, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.